Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to cut a shape in half in Photoshop. Let's get started. Create a new layer and select insert it possible any shape. Example I use heart shape. Press enter and destruct size. Hold shift. Use half selection or vertical selection as you wish. Half selection, that's it. Or press Ctrl I other side and use stylus. Select the polygonal lasso tool. Okay, then click anywhere. I use stylus cut. I escape this. Okay, then create a layer mask. Press Ctrl Z, duplicate layer. Click this icon. Hold Ctrl I inverse. Up. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.